Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your wireless phone charger in the 2022 Kia K5. I have in front of me here an EX all-wheel drive in ebony black. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the wireless phone charger in the K5 is located in the center console here under your shifter. This is a vertical stand and it's even got some built-in vents to help with cooling while it's charging. So what we're going to do is make sure that the system is turned on. We're going to head into the instrument panel. I'm going to use the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel here to navigate through. So I'm going to go sideways through the menu. I'm going to go down to convenience. And then I'm going to make sure that the wireless charging system is checkmarked on. So now that it's on, I'm going to take the phone and any phone that's compatible with wireless charging and place it into the wireless charging slot. And you're going to see the little light has come on to let you know that it's charging. It will also let you know in the top right corner of the 8-inch infotainment screen that it's charging as well. Now, the vehicle will not charge the phone if you open a door. It will stop charging. And in the winter time, or if it's cold enough and the engine isn't up to full temperature, the wireless charging pad is last on the priority list for electricity. So it may take a little bit of time for it to come on. And that's how you do it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell to stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.